out here riding around and getting it, and I see on the freeway, I'm out here in the new gray machine heading south, and I see the one and only PJ Rarebreed pass me up on the freeway. Let's see what's going on. Is that PJ Rarebreed in the house, man?
Hey,
what the hell's going on, man?
Man.
I saw them lights pass by me, and I said,
it's so weird.
Yeah.
Dude, I've been thinking about you all day, and I just put your disc in when I took them to Stockton. Manny them came down.
The flash drive, yeah.
I put the flash drive in there, and I've been listening to it. I said, Money. I said, this dude is good. I mean, the sound coming out of it. I know you did something on a mix board or something.
No, that was just you know, that was just me, man. You know.
Yeah, and I said, Trip, I've been thinking about you when we got halfway, and I was like, maybe I see him out there, and then I didn't see you because I turned around. I just took them.
Yeah.
And I turned around, so I just did a turnaround.
And I saw these lights coming up on me. I said, who out here on a dirt bike or something? And then I saw the yellow, and you flew past me. I was like,
I was doing like 110.
Yeah, you like 110. And I was like, baby, there's only two bikes that got them lights. And that's PJ and the lady that was on the trip. And I saw a Rarebreed patch. That's who that is. I said, he gonna stop.
Yeah.
Right about here.
Yep, you knew it, huh?
Yeah, I knew. I said, I know he gonna stop right here, man. So how you been, bro?
Good. How you been?
Oh, man, I've been doing good, brother. I've been doing good.
Hey.
I just want to let y'all know. I know some people who know some people, and I just want to let y'all know. Ultimate Ground Pounder right here on the scene.
That's the Trip. I've been thinking about you today, and then here you are. I'm like, are you serious, God, or what?
Oh yeah,
so
God is good.
The Trip, man. So yeah, they was like, dude, you can come stay with us. And I said, no, I'm turning around. I'm going back home. I'll be home in a minute. I told them 6 o'clock. I'll be home before that.
Yeah.
But anyway, dang,
that's
man.
Good to see you, bro. Good to see you, man.
I'm telling you, that disc is in my, that flash drive in my bike right now. Oh, yeah, when I got up there, I popped it in, and then you showed me how to go to the menu, and then I picked the album, then I went with Lowrider, and then I just started going through that. Matter of fact, I put it on the way up because I was listening to James Brown. You got a lot of James Brown.
Yeah, you got them folders, Flash drives on deck, man. Living proof. He good.
They're good.
If y'all don't know, y'all better ask somebody.
Quality, everything is perfect on there. I was like,
so how everybody been doing, man?
Sound like this.
Good. What's the next adventure?
Canada. I'm gonna do Canada probably the first week of next month. Because they opened the border up. Yeah. And it got a few qualifications, so I'm gonna get through that. And then the first next month I'm gonna go up, run to Canada, turn around, go to sleep, turn around, come back. I just got the bike since the trip. Remember
the transmission,
I just got the bike last week.
So what was going on? Did you the shifter fork or the whole gear just stripped out?
The whole thing. They replaced the whole tranny. The fifth was gone, toe up. Yeah. They couldn't believe what happened to it.
Hey y'all, my man rode with no fifth gear from Fort Wayne, Indiana, all the way back to the West Coast.
Yeah. That's that night we broke down. We was gonna try our first night run. And we broke down coming out of Fort Wayne because Big Al caught a flat. Right. So we slept at Flying J. That night.
I'm put mine. I've been so busy lately with these bikes and other stuff products. I got my
video today.
Okay, I got my own footage. So I'm gonna start putting all together for the trip to get my point of view from my back view. I saw your front view, how you did yours, gave me an idea how I'm gonna lay mine out.
Because that's what we want to do is just let everybody know and inspire the people that haven't done it, want to do it, people that don't want to ride. So if we just all collaboratively, you put yours out, I put mine out, and that way they got different avenues to see it.
Yeah, that's for sure. Well, I'm gonna get on down the freeway. We're on our way down Pomona, and so we're going to this swap meet.
Much love. Boy, God, dang, that's a trip. That's a trip.
I'm gonna tell you, I know somebody who knows somebody. Gotta go. How you like my new truck, man?
Let me see.
This is the one I had down in PJ, getting TTJ getting painted.
You put some music in, and you start running around the corner.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, one of those jobs. Yeah, yeah.
You was running around the corner, then you came back and you said, "No, I'm gonna go down the street."
Yeah, yeah.
Then you went down the street. Oh, that joker nice.
And so yeah, this is my new baby here.
Oh, that's nice.
So,
I love when people doing things and coming up. Oh yeah, I got that red interior too.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
And so,
dang it, same color as the bike.
Yeah.
I need one of them trucks.
I'm about to remix a bike to match this because my other bike, bike matches my white dually.
Yeah.
And so I gotta either remix or get a new one to go to have the whole thing.
Black and red.
Yeah.
Black and red. That's nice, man.
Yeah.
Awesome. So it's good to see.
Once again, y'all. Hey, my man PJ finna we finna hit the hill and get up out of here.
Yes, sir.
Hey.
Follow that great thing. That joker clean.
Oh,
boy.
we out of here. We out. Enough said. Enough said.
Good, too. Looking good.
All right, y'all.
Following up out of here.
All right, we gotta go, y'all.
All
right. Man, we about to hit this 5 up this hill with the greatest of ease. That's all I got to say. An honor talking to my man PJ Rarebreed. Y'all should follow him on his YouTube page. PJ Rarebreed, that is, giving you all the latest ride tips and techniques on gear and whatnot. You know, each one teach one, and he ain't holding all the secrets to himself. He letting y'all see what he see to inspire others to get out there and go. So like I said, we about to hit this hill and we out. He said he hit us at about 110 when he went. See them Pia front lights? Woo! Cutting through everything in the darkness. If y'all can hear what I can hear the music, and we behind him with my window down. And he out of there.